Hi guys, today we'll explain how to undo in Adobe Premiere Pro. This process is simple and easy. The first thing is open the application and open a project and import your video. As you can see, I have my video as well as the voiceover with the background music. And on the top, you can see the captions. Now time to undo. If you mistakenly delete a part or anything from your video, then with the help of this feature, you can get that back. Just like, let me delete this caption. Now the caption has been deleted. Now, if I want to take it back, then simply type Ctrl+Z on Windows. Or, if you are using a Mac, then you have to type Command+Z. Here you can see the captions are back. And the second way is tap on the option window, and here, enable this option history. Once this option will be enabled, you will get all the history which you did in your project. And on the last, you can see the option of delete. Simply do a right click with your mouse and tap on the option delete, and click on OK. And here you can see that deleted option has been gone. And I get my captions back, and it was the way by which you can undo in Adobe.